Hi, it's me. I just got back from my morning walk, but I had to sit down and record a video, so forgive the way I look. This is the way I normally look, actually. But I just had to tell you what happened. So last night I wrote that answer to the Pixar question about what my book might be, and it was like blah, blah, blah. And there's just a piece of that whole story that just I'm not loving. And having done it though, this is what's so cool, and this is the way it works. I woke up this morning and I was reading the newspaper. I get three real newspapers, and I was reading, I don't know which one it was. I'm going to guess that it was the Wall Street Journal. And there was that huge article, maybe some of you saw it recently, about this giant collection of art that had been confiscated during the time of the Nazis in Germany was uncovered, and it's this $1 billion collection of art. And there was something about art that actually began my whole thinking about Margaret Mitchell. It was a woman who had a famous piece of art, and she didn't want to pass it down to her family, and that whole idea of being at the end of your life and having this thing. Anyway, the art story resonated with me, and I'm like, that's interesting. And there was a particular reason it was interesting, which is there's a book called Girl in Hyacinth Blue. Girl in Hyacinth Blue by Susan Vreeland. It's a beautiful novel, and it's exactly about a piece of art that was hidden from the Nazis and passed down through all these people. It's this fabulous book. And when I started thinking about my Margaret Mitchell book, I pulled it off the shelf kind of as a touchstone, and I didn't know why. I still don't know why. I have it near my bed. I've read it recently, and I still don't know why I pulled it down, but I did. So there's that article, and I had that book in my room, and I was like, my head was sort of on fire, and I went out on my walk with my friend, and I'm lucky enough to live right down near the beach, and we were down on the beach. It was amazing. There were baby dolphins. I've never seen this before. Baby dolphins leaping all the way out of the water. So I'm walking and driving, and I had this total aha moment. That's the point of this whole video. This aha moment where I'm like, oh, my old lady is not given the manuscript to preserve. She steals it. I think she steals it. And I'm so excited because that's so much more interesting. It's got so much more heat. And the only reason that came to me is because I did that darn exercise. I just wanted to share that with you because that's how it works. Okay, I hope you're inspired.